amigos, Claudio Conejo here with the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is chiste. ¡Ay, a dónde me voy! ¡A dónde me voy!
Ven para acá que ya casi te atrapo.
I think Trump is crazy. Something's going on his mind.
Then there's something wrong with you. You're certainly not very good.
Are you ready for a puppy show? Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we give you Benito Bunny's Red Easter Egg. Enjoy.
So now that you know the word compa, feel free to use it. Like, compa, can I buy you a beer? Compa, where's the bathroom? Compa, can I get a ride to the airport? I'm Chorizo the Clown, and you've been watching Chorizo Teaches Mexican Slang!
Hey!
What am I doing here? How can I win? She's counting on me, I'll surely repent. Last time I fought Lester, he caused me such harm. How can I defeat him with this Reynolds wrapped arm? Adriana!
Hey you! No running! Remember, safety first!
Here to put some magic in your workday.
And some money. $500 every hour on the hour.
So you have a card. You put it there. You grab your beans.
Yeah, we use beans instead of markers.
Yes. And then somebody's gonna grab all the cards and is gonna name the images that are there. For example, El Valiente.
El Valiente!
Hello, and welcome to Permission to Speak Freely, where each episode we attempt to unpack, explain, and demystify misconceptions and misunderstandings between civilians and their military. I'm your new host, Puppet Dewey Bratcher.
We at the security systems here at Megacorp, we are the best. Nothing escapes our sight. We know pretty much everything about you, back to your grandparents, your great-grandparents, and your private moments.
Estamos haciendo cirugía.
Oh, cirugía!
Cirugía. Pásame, por favor. Bien. Por favor, lávate las manos.